There's no running down that.
Riley, the funny thing is, I'm gonna push. What angle can you shoot out of? 2 side doors? Hey, provide me some cover to that car. I'm gonna get him. Okay, got it. Got you.
Go. Keep an eye on it, keep an eye on it. You dead? No. Keep an eye on that, keep an eye on that.
Alright. There's somebody in here?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Woo!
You know if that stairway is clear?
Shit. We'll pop at the same time. Ready?
I got that. Oh my god.
Got me in the friggin'.
No fucking way. Did I miss those?
Come up behind you, catch this side.
You what?
Go in that corner, go in the corner.
Yeah. Go, go, go.
Push through, push through, push through. Armband, armband. Push. Clear. Upstairs clear? There's one on the right. Are they in the building on the right? Is it feeding? Alright. Whoop!
Guys, push, push, come on!
Go, go, go!
Go, go, go!
Watch your corners.
Go, 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 go!
Keep moving.
Go, go!
Shit. Game over.
So close.
Are they coming up? People behind there. Yeah. There's people in the bushes. I see them.
Yeah, just watch your left. Go, 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 go! Watch your left, watch your left. Did he really just run through that whole line of fire?
You just see it return the trees.
Straight ahead?
Yeah, straight ahead. Damn, bro. Hey, all you guys players when you're far on this side.
What? Did I hit him?
So there's one at this octagon barricade in front of us.
Hey, what's my air tank say? Little gauge, little gauge. Ricochet. What's that? Okay.
Now, one right in front of us to the left. Right, Al,
In here?
right in here. Al, get right here. You see it?
Got him. Oh, hey! Damn. I don't know if he ricocheted.